Hi everyone, my name is Tanushri Tirke and I am from Somarwar School, Maumia branch studying in class 10B. Today's my topic is very important. So let us start with an introduction. That is, human life admires for the luxurious lifestyle such as they love to buy many houses, costly houses, cars and many other things. Just like that, keeping pets is fashion nowadays. Some people keep pets for their mental illness, for the affection of love, and etc. But if you have a pet, it is important for all of you. That is pet vaccination. So let us start. Is your pet vaccinated? And if not, then know the reason why pet vaccination is important for you and your family too. So let us start our topic. That is, the first topic is vaccination. What is vaccination? We will see the answer of this with the help of one slide. We all know vaccination means to inject a syringe in our body. But the perfect definition of the vaccination is that vaccination is the administration of a vaccine to help the immune system develop protection from a disease. It fights against illness-causing germs in our body, and it prevents the illness-causing germs to spread or be continued as a disease in our body too. The next question is, what can vaccine do? Vaccinating your pet can prevent the spread of certain diseases such as rabies to your family. But now, what is rabies? By following a bite, the rabies virus spreads by way of the nerve cells to brain. It can lead to the death of the person to whom the dog has bite. But if your dog has the perfect vaccination of such diseases, so it not harmful for your family. Next question is, how does vaccination helps you? Vaccination have prevented the deaths of millions of animals within the last century. When your pet is not vaccinated and he suffers from certain diseases, so you have to spend a lot of money on his health. But if your pet has vaccinated, you have not to spend so much of money. Like, pet vaccination help in preventing pet diseases and can help you avoid costly treatments for preventable animal illness. That is why it is called prevention is better than cure. If you will vaccinate your dog or pet, what can happen? But if you will not vaccinate your dog, what can happen? Let us see with the help of some slides. Now comes, which are some of the important core pet vaccinations which are necessary for your pet. So some of them are which are important, that are rabies, distemper, hepatitis, parvovirus, parainfluenza and gastro, and many more. There are many such core pet vaccinations, but these are some which are most important for your pets. Now here comes a question, that is it okay if I will not vaccinate my pet? Now let's answer this question. That is, no, it is not okay, because the risk of not vaccinating your pet is going to be pretty high. It may lead to costly treatments after infected by such diseases, and it may lead to the death of your pet too. So this may happen if you will not vaccinate your pet. So be sure about the vaccination of your pet. Now, the next question came is, what is meant by booster dose? The answer of this is, in medical terms, a booster dose is an extra administration of a vaccine after an earlier dose. It means a primary dose. After initial immunization, a booster injection or a booster dose is a re-exposure to the immunizing antigen. It is intended to increase immunity against the antigen back to protective levels after memory against the antigen has declined through the time. Now, the last and the most important question is what you should do. If your pet is not vaccinated, what you should do and what things must be important for you and your pets. So this is that you should make sure that your pets' vaccination are always up to date. Talk to your veterinary doctor about creating a wellness package that covers all necessary core vaccines that they need to stay healthy. So make sure you vaccinate your pet all up to date and make all the things which are required to make your pet healthy. I hope the information was helpful for you and beneficial too. In my next video, I will be telling you more about animals, how to take care of pets, street dogs and many other things. Till then, love animals, don't be rude to them, feed the strays, and thank you for watching my video.